How you doing? My name is Mike Ulrich. I'm here today at MarineMax Venice. Today I'm going to give you a video walkthrough on the 21 SPX. This one in the SPX lineup is step 2. It's going to go 19 foot, 21 foot, 23 foot. This one's right in the middle, and this one is one of our top sellers. Perfect for those just getting into the boating industry, but they want to step into something quality and get comfortable with a brand. This is a great point to start at. Right off the bat, this one's going to have that 200. You can get it with the 150. 200 is the upgrade. It's nice to have that if you want to do any water sports. So if you want to do any tubing, skiing, wakeboarding, anything like that, the 200 is going to give you more than enough power to get that done. On this boat, nice walkway into it. This one's going to be your classic bow rider layout. You can have SeaDeck on the back, which is nice to put that over the non-skid, a little softer on the feet. Follow me into the cockpit and I'll show you how much room is in here. Like I said, this one is going to be your foot in the door to the Sea Ray brand. So you're going to see a lot of similarities as you grow with the brand, but you can start out the SPX lineup. Great layout, L-shaped seating in the back, which is going to be great for friends and family. 2 bucket seats, both swivel 360. You can change the distance to and from the dash to make them comfortable, but more importantly, you can spin it around so everybody can be a part of the conversation. You're going to have 2 options on this boat for the top. First one being the bimini that you see above me. Great because you can collapse it and get it out of the way, take it completely off. If you want to fish on it, nothing's in the way. But if you want to have shade, it's quick and easy to put up there. Option number 2 is going to be a big sport tower. So if you know you're going to do a lot more water sports on this boat, the sport tower might be the option for you. Both of them are great, but it's nice that Sea Ray gives you the option to make it unique to how you wish to use it. This interior is the stone interior. You have 3 options. Stone is what you see, white, which is called ivory, or dune, which is going to be their brown interior. This boat certainly does not lack storage. So right here, what we call the trunk. Nice, massive area because on other models of this boat, which would be the stern drive, this one's the outboard, you got a massive empty engine bay that you can use for great storage. Down here in the Southwest Florida market, it's going to be perfect for throwing your totes in here, all your beachwear, toys, beach chairs, umbrellas, anything like that. You've got a great designated spot for it that you're not losing storage anywhere else. But let's face it, this boat does not lack storage. Every single compartment opens up on this. This one, insulated cooler. Perfect spot for it. You can throw your drinks and ice right in there. Also, designated spot right here for a cooler. Little igloo if you want to slide in or out. Great storage behind here. This one, personally, what I've used in the past, this is a great spot to put your shoes. So you're not bringing that sand or anything through the boat. As soon as you step on, toss your shoes right in there. Up at the helm or the command center here, nice bolster seat that I mentioned, but you're going to have a Simrad touchscreen dash. Integrated into this is going to have your chart plotter, your stereo, all of your navigation, everything for this boat is going to be right in here, and this is the Simrad 9-inch on this one. Over here, JL Audio, your Fusion head unit, and then you're going to have your nice shifter over here. Integrated into that, you'll notice right here on the side, though, is going to be that active trim. Easy on or off. You can change the sensitivity of it. Like I said, if you're first getting into the boating lifestyle, this one is perfect to have some of those great features that you can get used to and get confident on your boat. Up in the front of this boat, you're going to have the filler cushion in there right now. That middle cushion right here is going to be removable. Notice the Sea Ray socks. So you can have that removed. If you want to sit up in the front and have a conversation, you can do so. Or if you want to have a nice sun pad as shown, you can do that as well. Guys, like I said, this is a great boat. If you're starting out, you want to get comfortable, you want to get used to the water, this one's a great one to do it on. If you'd like to see more, this one's located right here at MarineMax Venice. My name's Mike Ulrich. Thanks for watching.